What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to back up chat history in Telegram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram application. Once you're there, head over to the three lines icon on the upper left corner and then go to settings. Then go to data and storage under the settings section, and here there are three options under automatic media download section. So head over to when using mobile data and just turn it to high and go back. Go to when connected to Wi-Fi, turn it to high, and when roaming, just turn it to high too. Once you just turn all these options to high, Telegram just automatically back up the chat history of your Telegram. Not just the chat history, but also the photos and videos and medias, including within them. So yeah, this is how you can just back up your chat history in Telegram. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.